So welcome back to the Cumbrian homestead. Today is the 16th of December and what we've got here is the Damson Vodka. I don't know, it looks pretty nice, great colour. That was started on the 26th of October, so I don't know, kind of, what's that, about 7 weeks or something like that. Anyway, so today I'm going to put that through, strain it off. So here I've got Pyrex. I could use a plastic jug. This actually is a plastic fine mesh sieve. Just use whatever you've got really. And it's got some muslin cloth. So we're just going to put that through there, and I'm actually going to look at that colour, fabulous. I was watching Steve over at Digwell, Grainfingers channel, do his Huckleberry gin, and that looked pretty awesome, I have to say. So I'm actually, let's get the last scraps out. Oh, got more coming out. Put those back in the jar. I'm just going to try one. Oh my word! Wow! Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Right. See that it's just got a bit of captured that bit of sediment or whatever it is. Well, it's pieces of skin probably after damsons. Right, so I've got, can we see kind of like the colour of that? Look at that. So I've got an old single malt whiskey bottle here. I don't trust myself pouring that into there, so I'm just going to go and grab a funnel. I'll be back in a tick. Got said funnel, so I'll just transfer that into there. Actually, do you know what? I think that last drop will go in there. Yeah, I probably need to take a little bit out, don't I? What the heck? It's better. Can we get around that light or something? Don't know how that's a superb colour, that's for sure. Sorry about the shaky camera work, guys. Right, let's just have a little snifter. Smells awesome. Oh, Now I only put, I think, 2 tablespoons of stevia, and to be honest with you, yeah, that's worked out. I don't like things sweet really, so yeah, that'll do. I wouldn't put any more in, to be honest with you. So what I'll do is repeat the process. I'll put another couple of tablespoons of stevia in this, and then I'm going to put another bottle of vodka in and get a second batch out of it, which obviously won't be as dark as this one, but I'll do the same again anyway, and then I'll show you. Yeah, so again, just give it a few swirls every day for a few weeks, and then sit that in the understairs cupboard out of the light, and I'll bring you back to that in 6 or 7 weeks time, and see how it is. Right, I'll show you some other stuff in jars while I'm at it. So these are the pickled shallots. Again, they were done on the same day as the Damson Vodka actually, so we've been eating those for about, in the last week we've been starting to have some, and they are really good. Still, nice and crunchy, and excellent flavour. So very happy with those. And just a little update on the fermented veggies. So this is the beetroot that I showed you just recently. I scooped out the stuff that had got exposed to the air, and I popped one of those glass weights on the top here, and that seems to have been pretty successful. You can see that it's changing colour, but I've read that that's normal. That happens when you put vegetables in brine and ferment them. They do change, they lose the colour. So I'm not concerned about that. I believe that is normal. Let me know if you do this regularly. Is that right? So I haven't actually tried this yet, but I've been having these. Have been in the fridge. I keep these in the fridge. These are like carrot sticks, and again, I've heard that it's normal for it to go cloudy. But I've been eating some of those, and I really like them. I'm just thinking next time though, I might grate it like this. Let me know what you think. What do you do? How do you do yours? So but as I say, that's my first attempt at fermented vegetables. So I've obviously got to try loads of other things, but I'm quite happy with the way it's progressing at the moment. So that's it for now, guys. Just a little update on things in jars, really, I suppose. So as always, thanks very much for your support and your kind comments. Please do drop me a comment below, and consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already, and I'll see you next one. Bye for now.